thank you so much. What? I like this. Thank you. Thank you. Susuotin ko to. Yes, meron akong damit. Ito naman meron ding dress din to. It's, hindi ko nabubuksan guys. Pero, may letter! May letter! Aww. Hello, good day. My name is Arnold John. I'm deaf. I'm just making... What? Yo! Siya yung gumawa ng damit! This is beautiful, guys! Search niya si Kuya Arnold John. Maybe he's selling. Ay, wow! Ang galing! Ang ganda! No, thank you so much. Thank you. I will give for Ashley Sarmiento and then excuse me when I will go selfies for Story Day Dress. And I'll give you my Instagram. Thank you, my fan of support for you. Congratulations. Both third, Ashley Sarmiento and Joaquin. Ay, ang sweet naman. Gumagawa siya ng dress, guys! This is so beautiful and that's so talented. What? Wow! 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 Yo! Ang galing! Wow! Wow! I'm gonna wear it. Oh my days. Ang ganda oh. Ang galing naman. Uy, ang ganda. Abangan nyo na lang. I will be wearing this. Maybe sa event or sa post ko. But that's so talented. Thank you. Thank you, Kuya Arnold John. Thank you, Arnold John. Okay, next we have here to Ashley from Ashrave Official /Rappies. Kinlela, Engineer Cobb, Claire, Ruth, Gina, Jamaica, Rhea, Jablon, Annalyn, Karin, Ann, Mayondos, Gian, Leslie, Warhanda, Lorraine, Jonathan, Remaria, Desiree, May, Circle, Jabloy, Jo, April, Min. We love you. I love you guys too. Okay, grabe ka. Uy! Alam nyo, grabe, natutuwa talaga ako sa ganito. Hindi ako mahilig naman sa ganito. Pero kapag niregalan niyo ako, nakaka-excite siyang buksan. So, eto. Unboxing tayo nitong vinyl plush toy. To Ash. Unboxing! Yeah. Oh my days. I got shortbread rabbit. Ay, short-eared. Shortbread. Aww. Oh, cutie Patutski. Oh my. That's so cute. What am I supposed to do with this? Wala siyang parang keychain? Lalagay ko na lang sa ano ko. Desk. Cute! Gusto ko din itong isabit. Ang dami ko nang isasabit. Ang dami ko nang isasabit. Mommy, favorite ko to. Hindi po. Hindi, yung parang...
Tarts?
Tarts, oo, tarts. Oh my days, guys, kayo.
Parang may naalala ko doon sa tart na yun.
Nahilig ako sa tarts.
Naalala ka pag tart. Oo.
Sweet tart.
Oo. Tawagan nila ng daddy tart
Ay.
mo.
Nag-relapse pa yung nanay ko, guys.
Tart.
8 p.m. na kasi. Hello, guys. Grabe na naman, oh. Most sent Ashley. Well, thank you guys sa support. Thank you din sa inyo. Wait lang.
Tart?
I'm gonna charge.
Nami swado.
Ano ba ito? Yan. Ay. Oh! I don't think I can do live no more.
Ang gano'n.
Okay. So, alam niyo, favorite ko to. Like, legit. I mean, like, really nuts. Oh! Ang sarap. Oh!
Dili tayo sa 7-Eleven.
Thank you, guys. Bye.
Iyan ko to. Wala ko dadalhin.
Wait lang. Na-ice ko lang to. Okay. So, okay, magmumukbang tayo ngayon kasi na-miss ko to. Isa to sa mga binibili ko before sa palengke namin. Ay! Ito, sa palengke talaga ito nabibili.
Ano yung tart?
Yung tart. Meron! Ito, sa palengke meron.
Sa palengke?
Punmok.
Huh?
Meron talaga, mommy.
Baka naman sa palengke.
Meron!
Saan tayo sa Pilipinas?
Anyways, eto na.
Baka sa Cebu, ganyan. Yung sa mga ano, sa lubong stores.
Ang sarap! Thank you so much, guys. Ang sarap. I love this. I love it.
Yan kami.
Ang sarap.
Ano yan po? Ay.
Ang sarap.
Yung anak mo rin. Ay, sa ni Susi.
Ang sarap. Yo. I love you guys so much. Ang sarap na daw. Thank you, Tristan. Ano yun? Si Rave. Nagtatrabaho si Rave. Wala po siya. Hello, Ashley Starlight. Hi. Hi, Ashkins. I love you guys so much. Ang sarap! Yo! Guys. Ang sarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis. It's so perfect. I'm losing my mind right now. Pinakain ko yung bigay nyo. Ang sarap. Tarts. Ang sarap talaga. Okay, next. Hindi ako makamove on sa other gifts kasi ang sarap na. Kuha pa. It's so yummy, y'all. It's so good. Galing anong fandom? From Ashrave Official /Ravelries. Thank you po. It's so yummy. Okay. Okay. Moving on. I got gift here again. From Ashrave Official GC2. From Canala Engineer. Aww. You guys are so sweet. What? Oh! Oh, hello! Hello! Ashley kasi masyadong excited. Napunit tuloy yung paper bag. Sorry na. Sorry na. Wait lang. Parang ayaw niya naman pabukas sa akin yung regalo sa Grabe Makati. Hello po sa inyo. Fan ko po ba ng BTS? Di po ako gaano ka super fan ng K-pop. Pero pag napapanood ko sila, they're amazing. Ano talaga ako? Olivia Rodrigo, Taylor Swift, Gracie Abrams, Nicki. Yun yung music taste ko. Hello! My songs? Hopefully guys, makapag-release ako ng song ko. Kasi ang dami ko na rin talagang nasulat. And yun talaga isa sa mga gusto kong gawin. Mag-release ng songs. Ayo! Ayo! You guys got me a bag? What? Oy! Walang pretty! Oh my days! Ang ganda! Yo! Thank you guys! What? This is so pretty! Okay, never mind. I'm putting this here. Ah, that's so sweet of you guys. Thank you so much. Ay, wait lang. Grabe, ang cute naman nito. Mayroon pa akong nakuha na tanggap na gift. This one. I also really like this one. This is pretty nice. Tignan nyo, it's so pretty. It has an electric guitar. Guys, soon, I'ma get an electric guitar that's color black as well. It's so beautiful. Let me just put this thing here. Next, sabit. I love your anik-aniks. Thank you for sending me your anik-anik, guys. Ano ba ito isabit? Bakit naman ayaw, boss? Wait. Yo, chill. Ayun. Ayan! Tignan nyo, ang dami ng anik-anik agad. Thank you. Aw. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, guys. Kaya magkikita yung pal. Hindi ko rin alam, hindi kami nag-aalign pa ng schedule. Pero kami ni Princess lagi kami magkasama. Si Lala kasi busy din eh. So yeah. Thank you guys for the gifts today. I really appreciate it. Super. Thank you so much po. Si D. Wait lang. It out. I'm tired. Ugh. Joke lang, I'm not tired yet though. But thank you so much for the gifts. Super duper appreciate ko lahat po talaga ng binibigay ninyo. Like, super. I really enjoy it. Like, sobrang creative nyo sa pag bigay ng mga gifts. Oh my days, nagluto yung mom ko ng sinangag. Sige. Sorry guys, dadalhin ko muna kayo sa dark side. Okay, I'm back. Ano ba bang pwedeng gawin? Wala, kaya lang talaga ako nag-live kasi gusto kong mag-unboxing. Unboxing. Wow! Teka lang. Oo nga, lapit na birthday niya. Happy birthday sa'yo! Anyways, guys, I think that's it for our live shenanigans tonight. Naantok na rin ako. Naantok yarn! Wait nga, pwede ba dito yung parang may question something? Blah, blah, blah. Pollen gift. Ano tong lightning Q&A? When was the last time you cried and why? Last night? Bruh. Wag na yung why! Ayoko ng why! What is one thing you can't live without? My guitar! My guitar! I cannot live without my guitar. Kaya buti na lang may guitar minsan sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Nakasurvive ako. What color would you wear on a first date? Probably black. If you had a superpower, what would it be? Invisible. What is your favorite place to eat? Anything, basta chicken. May chicken na masarap na chicken. Do you believe? What do you do for a living? I sing, I act, I dance. Okay, tama na yun na yun. Galit ka ba sa akin? Paano mo alam? The joke. Hindi, wala akong galit sa inyo. Bakit naman ako magagalit? Sana guys, makapunta ako sa Lainey concert kasi mahal na mahal ko talaga siya. Siya talaga yung pinapatugtog ko every time na nagdadrive ako or every time na trip ko magpatugtog. Lainey, tsaka loved. Okay. Contact lens, saan ko nabili? Galing po to sa makeup artist ko, so I don't know. Guys, my makeup artist, Sir Rafi Francisco. The best. The best. Look at that. Di ko na rin kilala minsan sarili ko dahil sa kanya. Joke. Congrats po. So with honors, Chan. I also hope that you guys, ito naglag ako, sorry. Ayun, God bless sa inyo guys, sa lahat ng mag-exam dyan. Alam ko parang malapit na kayo mag-exam. So, galingan nyo and aral lang and pray kayo. Galingan nyo. Bye-bye. Sige na, alis na ako guys. I love you all. Sana magkita-kita pa tayo soon. At sana pag nakita-kita tayo, nakaayos ako kasi para maganda, diba? Maganda yung impression ko sa inyo. Bye-bye. I love you all. Thank you for joining my live. And thank you for the crazy amount of support every day, every single day. I always feel it. And that's, I'm really, really thankful for you guys so much. Hoy, wait! Ito na. Sige na. Bigyan ko kayo 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye! I love you all. Bye-bye. Thank you. See you soonest and see you sa live ulit.